Definite articles, how to say the in Italian with singular and plural nouns. So you've already learned how to say the with singular nouns in Italian. We learned that if it starts with a vowel, the word for the or definite article is L apostrophe. If it's a feminine noun, it's la. Most masculine nouns will use il, but if it starts with a Z or an S consonant, then it's la. Sound familiar? All right, so we're now going to learn what we do with plural nouns. So, definite articles in the plural do change, but it's a simple rule to follow. So if you start off with the masculine nouns, shown here in blue, so we have il, which we said was for most masculine nouns. That simply changes to I. La and L apostrophe, when they're masculine, change to li, and la or L apostrophe, or all feminine nouns, change to le. Let's have a look at some examples to make this clearer. We'll keep the rule on the top right-hand corner there just to remind us as we work through it. So, let's start off with vaporetto, a masculine noun. As most masculine nouns do, its definite article is il. If we want to transform that into the plural, so instead of saying the ferry, we're going to say the ferries, we will simply change il to I, just like our rule at the top, and vaporetto goes to vaporetti, following our plural rule. If any of this is sounding a bit confusing, make sure you do go back and have a look at the definite articles in the singular video or otherwise the plural rule video. So let's look at another example. Studente, a masculine noun, but it starts with an S plus a consonant, which means our definite article is lo. If we want to change it into the plural, then, just like it shows us in the table, that lo becomes li, and studente becomes studenti. Let's take amico, okay, and this time, because it starts with a vowel, we have L apostrophe as our definite article. If we want to make this plural, just like it shows us in our rule at the top, we make it li, and amico becomes amici. Let's look at the feminine nouns. The feminine ones are the really easy ones because all of the feminine nouns, their definite article is going to be le. So, gondola, la gondola, we're going to make it into the plural. So, la becomes le, gondola, gondole. Let's look at another example. Amica, which means a friend. The definite article, because it starts with a vowel, is L apostrophe, l'amica. If we want to make it into the plural, just like it shows us in the table, and it's a feminine noun, it becomes le, and amica becomes amiche. We've added that extra H there just to make sure we maintain that curt sound. Hope that's helped. Bye for now.